Welcome to today's video, where we'll walk through how to archive a group chat on the WhatsApp app for PC using the latest update. If you're looking to clean up your chat list without deleting anything, this simple feature will help you stay organized while keeping all your messages safe and accessible. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. Make sure you're using the latest version so that the newest features, including the updated archive option, are available. Once the app opens, you'll see your list of chats and groups displayed on the left-hand side of the screen. Next, locate the group you want to archive. This works for any group chat, whether it's for work, school, or just your friends. When you found it, move your mouse pointer over the group's name. Now, right-click on the group. A small menu will appear with several options, such as pin, mute, and delete chat. From that list, select Archive Chat. As soon as you click it, WhatsApp will remove the group from your main chat list and move it into the archive section. This keeps the conversation hidden from your main screen, helping you focus on the chats that matter most right now. But don't worry, archiving doesn't delete the group or your messages. You can still find everything exactly as you left it. To access your archived groups, scroll down to the bottom of your chat list and click Archived. Inside, you'll see all the chats and groups you've archived. You can open them anytime, read old messages, or even send new ones. Once you send or receive a message in an archived group, it will automatically move back to your main chat list unless you've enabled the setting to keep archived chats muted. And that's it, just 3 quick steps. Open WhatsApp, right-click the group, and click Archive Chat. Simple, clean, and effective for managing your digital space. Thanks for watching.